ramp up, which is why I need the stop. Aman. Oh god, what happened there? Oh lordy. Oh, this isn't good. Oh no. Oh god, you guys. Oh, oh we did so much. We did so much work. When did I last save? It's not crashed, it's just opened up a little window. Man, my autosaves are pretty often. It's not crashed, see, it's just got... I don't know what this box is. This box could be like closed without saving or something. Oh, okay, it just keeps opening up a new box. So what is this box? Can we escape out of the box? Maybe we can escape file save? Escape, control save. Oh no, what is happening? What if I just confirm it? Ha! Nope. Man, it's freaking out. What is this? Look at this software gore. What a nightmare. I'm not Alt F4ing it, Tay. I'm not Alt F4ing it. I'm not losing this. We've done so much. I definitely should not have updated to 2021, should I? What if I just... What is happening? Oh, well, either way, this is the end of the live stream, I suppose. God damn. Messing with my taskbar and everything, look. Okay, you guys ready? Here it comes. Ha! I can't even close it, that was Alt F4. Yeah, this is it, it's Spooky Halloween. It's Spooky Halloween episode ending. Oh, this is like the scariest thing of all. Why did I do it on Halloween's Eve? We should have foreseen this. Oh my goodness, I did so much. Alright, here we go, Control-Alt-Delete, guys. Yeah. This music is not representative of my feelings at the moment. I don't think this is gonna work, you guys. I think this is the end. Damn you, Adobe Animate. Oh. Oh. God. Oh. We fucking did it! We fucking did it! I only lost like 2 frames! I can redraw 2 frames! Oh hell yeah! Hell yeah, baby! 2 frames is fine! I don't care about 2 heckin' frames! Oh, fantastic! Yes! Save as... Save as... Phone swipe v4. Oh, save. Yes. Okay, I need 2 seconds to just unwind. Oh my god, my heart.
Subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.